guys, we're gonna clean our small Danish house today with our 3 kids ages 1 through 9.
Yep, none of our family members enjoy cleaning very much, but when we do it together, it's mildly enjoyable, which is better than horrible, so that's what we're going with.
Yeah, so we're gonna show you how we get our kids to join in without whining.
Yep, big promise.
And with a little Danish twist. So, Danish family clean with me, here we go!
We generally have a habit of cleaning the house twice a week with our kids at fixed times because we are the way that we are, but nowadays, not so much. We're on lockdown, so...
Yeah, and our house is a lot dirtier now because everyone's at home all the time. So those things don't really go together. They don't clean regularly at those exact times, and it's dirtier.
Now, if you're anything like us and you don't particularly enjoy cleaning, then we made a video not too long ago. We actually made the video regardless of what your disposition towards cleaning is, but that was on the topic of if you don't like tidying up. And while I enjoy tidying up more than I do cleaning, for the purpose of that video, we didn't really distinguish much between the two. Go check that out, but first watch this video.
I see what you're doing there.
What?
You're just talking about a bunch of stuff so that we don't actually have to go clean. Let's go.
Babu, Babu.
First time here, then welcome. We are really happy you're here. My name is Christine.
And I am Binny, and we are married. We have 3 kids, and on this YouTube channel, we do content about organizing and being parents and trying to organize while being parents and staying on top of things, which isn't always as straightforward as it seems. And it doesn't even seem straightforward a lot of the time. So if you think that would be fun, and we try to make it fun, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notifications. Oh, man, it's warm in here.
It's so hot.
Ooh, summer has arrived in Denmark.
All right,
and
let's try and do
stuck
this.
inside.
Ever since the kids were little, we've had this saying in the family that goes like,
I vores familie hjælper vi hinanden.
Which means in our family, we help each other. It was just something I started when they were like really small, just to get them to help me clean. But it's been something that's been a lot more internalized in them than anticipated. And now we just kind of do it, and they look around, they like help each other, and if something comes up and they like are annoyed and don't really want to help, all I have to say is in our family, and then they will like end the sentence.
Yeah, and it's become our family mantra. And speaking of mantras, we're gonna make a motivational mantra video with our favorite mantras for how to get through a difficult time or challenging moments.
For parents.
For parents. So keep an eye out for that one. But if you like this video so far, then maybe give us a like, and then
back to our Danish family clean with me.
I don't want to think about what's ahead, I'm here now. 'Cause I've always wanted to feel alive. Live in the moment, let the future arrive. I'm gonna tell the world the way it's going down. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now. Won't let them bother me, I'm not gonna waste my time. Come and join and get it started in this town. I'd rather be fun than what they say won't be safe and sound.
One thing we've noticed with our kids is that they're different.
In so many ways. One of those ways is in their cleaning styles. So Marcus, our oldest, he's a lot more motivated to clean if there's like a reward at the end. So it's like, okay, when we're done cleaning this, we'll have chocolate. Or when we're done cleaning this, you can play your Switch. Or even just like when you're done setting the table, we'll have dinner. So it doesn't even have to be.
I mean, that's motivation. I get that.
Exactly. So, I mean, he needs something to look forward to and to like clean towards. Whereas Emilia, she couldn't care less about that stuff. I mean, yeah, she'll take the reward, but for her, she's a lot more motivated and she won't whine as much if we're doing it together. So for her, it's a lot more quality time. That's the goal here. So, I mean, she's a real Dane at heart there, and like, it's all about the hygge. So if we can do the cleaning of the bathroom together, or we can fold her laundry and put it away together, then she will talk and share about her day and she'll have a good time and actually enjoy it.
Something to keep in mind.
We don't really know what Lucas's cleaning style is yet.
Lucas's cleaning style is, let me help, everybody else is doing it. Is that food? Sorry, I'm out.
Basically.
Loved you for your wits and your wicked games. Yeah, always on my mind, always in my brain. Yeah, with you the summer came and went in a day, and I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. Oh, and I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. No, nothing's gonna make me forget, and I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget, yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah.
Our kids don't really have a very extensive list of cleaning chores that they do on a day-to-day basis. I mean, they have their basic tasks and chores that they're responsible for, like tidying up their room and emptying their bags of their lunch boxes and maybe, you know, setting the table. But in terms of cleaning, we really count on this like family time.
We really do our best to teach our kids how to clean along with us, because when we do that, then they're able to actually pick up something and do a task that we otherwise would have to do.
Yeah, we don't want to have to do that. And it's not just cleaning, it's picking up the toys as well. We definitely don't want to be the parents that have to like clean up all the toys after the kids are done playing with them at the end of the day. So we start them young. And then with time, the idea is that we don't have to do anything, and then the kids do everything. We'll just be kings of our castle in a very Danish way.
Or the idea is that they'll become independent and thank us one day when they move away from home.
Yeah, and don't end up in jail.
Okay. So Marcus, he's been doing his own laundry for a while now. Emilia is almost doing that too.
That is correct.
Okay.
Lucas, however, is not doing very much. Maybe helping with the dishwasher a little bit.
Picking up his own toys.
Yeah, he does that. And that's pretty good for a 20-month-old, I think.
What do your kids do? Let us know in the comments below what your kids' abilities and chores are.
Yeah, let's start a mommy war in the comment section about whose kids are best.
Or just an inspirational war.
A holy war!
Let's all inspire each other for what we can do.
Okay, that's the kind of content that we actually want to make.
Exactly. Some kids can do some things really good, others can do other things
Okay,
really
back
good.
to cleaning though.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh no, 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 oh no, no.
A lot of the things that you might be used to if you live in North America, we don't have here in our Danish houses, like linen closets,
Pantries.
You just said that, but you know, point made.
Walk-in closets.
That is a good
I
one.
want that one.
Yeah, you do. But what it does mean is that we don't have as much stuff, and by extension, that makes it easier to clean. So that's a good thing.
I mean, we're not minimalist, but just by default, I think Danes are a lot more minimalistic than most other countries.
Yeah. And I'm Icelandic. We're definitely not minimalistic. So I think we kind of balance each other out a little bit.
Actually, I think you're more minimalistic than I am, just between us
What
two.
happens?
I don't know.
Let's have some
Wait.
chocolate.
I was thinking the exact same thing.
Sacred ritual of cleaning when you
Shut up.
get the whole family together.
Tag Myers.
You just have to hand over the vacuum and all the accessories.
And now I can clean up here.
Yes.
We work together in this family.
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
My mobile workstation. Tucked away for the weekend.
As much as I do not like cleaning, I do like my house a lot better when it is clean.
There is something about that smell of clean as it comes through your nose and makes you happy that, you know, you just can't beat.
Nope.
That was it. Finished our cleaning in 10 minutes. Video time took a little bit longer in real time, but not much longer.
No.
And we have a clean house ready to go into the weekend. Now, check out these other videos over there. If you want to stick around our channel, we'd love it if you did. And then we'll see you next week. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.